Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change your Instagram profile picture. Let's get started. You want to open Instagram application on your phone. Now let's go to your profile at the bottom side of the screen. Now on your profile, right below your bio information right here, you will find Edit Profile button. And now let's press Edit Picture or Avatar. Then you'll have an opportunity to pick new image from your library, or you can import a photo from Facebook, or you can simply take a photo just right now. I will choose from library and then choose your photo that you wish to use. Then tap done in the top right corner of the screen. And you can see that my profile picture is changed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.